Hi, KJ.
Hey, nice camera.
Okay, how many people are out here with flips? That's not 2,000 people. So we'll have like...
With flips, I don't know.
We'll have to get all the recordings together and do the repeat image in different directions.
I want to see him over there. Can you hold my lemonade for me, please, so I can eat my ice cream before it melts while I'm videoing? I can't. Thank you, Marcy.
Yep, that's fine.
Marcy's sister, Andy, lives in Chambord.
Yeah, you're kidding.
Right, sister, right? That's where we're going this weekend, tomorrow.
You want the best spot tomorrow? The Northeastern Iowa Metropolis. How are you?
My parents are actually at this. There's the man that's going to get slimed. And the wife making sure he doesn't leave his shoes on. Look at, he's got safety goggles.
Like a bad scientist. Bill Nye, the science store.
How much you want to bet they got a second bucket of something? Look at Michelle. What is that? Is that a hose? Graham's up there too.
Oh yeah, like Graham's up in the room.
How are you? You want to put your shots in here?
Take this, please.
Your brother needs to get his ice cream before it's all gone.
Sorry. We're here recording too.
Is it 8:15 yet? It's 8:20.
All right, get in there, Doug. Come on. Let's go, Doug. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Yeah.
All right, this is for all you volunteers for the times that sometimes you have to come up early or stay late and you're just thinking, I kind of don't want to do that. Yeah, I feel you.
Dog, we love you, buddy.
I'm zooming in.
We need a countdown from 20.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cottage cheese and a bunch of other stuff. Did you drive stuck or so? That's real cute. Did you hear him? Why don't you close us in prayer?
All right, unless you want to join in the fun, you guys can get in your cars now.
How did I get it all the way over
I think we
here?
got more treats inside. Enjoy if you want. As I say to the youth group, stick around if you can, leave if you must. So thanks for coming out.